I will request our director, Mr. Gopal Kamath, to come and give some brief idea about our resort. Mr. Gopal Kamath.
Thank you, Mr. Pathak. Good evening, everybody. It's a pleasure, and I'm very grateful that each and everybody could remove time from your busy schedule and bless us on this auspicious day. We have never been this fortunate to have such gracious companies in the periphery of our resort. And I mean it. A lot of times, people who are into marketing say something which doesn't make any sense. But then I really believe from my heart, I feel very grateful. बहुत अच्छा लगता है when I see that you people who have supported us in every turn on our days when we were not doing so good. A lot of companies have supported us, have covered us when we have goofed up, who have given us support. So a few companies, most of the companies who have come, I would like to give them a warm welcome, starting from delegates of Deepak Nitrate Limited, Reliance Industries Limited, DRT Athia Aroma Chemicals Private Limited, Excel Industries Limited, Roha Dichem Private Limited, Anshul Specialty Molecules Limited, Raptacos Bread Company Limited, Chorus India Limited, Rhodia Specialty Chemicals India Limited, JSW Steel Limited, and the Nippon Group also, Solvay Group, and the SI Group. I am very happy to have you all here, and I'm again grateful for blessing us on this occasion. Considering our history of the Kamath Resort, we started very small. So our upbringing is from the Girgaon location, that is Mumbai, a small chawl in which I used to stay with my family and my daddy, mummy, everybody. There was a small restaurant there. It is still called the Govindashram restaurant, opposite Mangalwadi in Mumbai, Girgaon. It was the start of our group. And after that, my father was running the restaurant, was doing a very good job. We used to serve tasty Maharashtrian food like dalimbi usal and misal and all that. Very, very tasty. My mouth is watering actually. So giving that history, my father got this land. I remember very precisely, he had got my dadi, that is his mother, to show this land when my father had bought this land. And my aji, that is my dadima, literally scolded him. He said, "Arey, kahan pe paise dal diye yaar? Kya daldal hai ye?" So this whole place, ye pura jagah jo tha, this was more like a daldal. So my father has totally changed this place after doing a lot of development out of the Girgaon small restaurant. And then because of the support of companies, families and all the patronage, we have been able to bring this from just a small dhaba, which he had started in the year 1992, to a restaurant which we started roughly in the year 2000, till now a 40-room resort, which you can see, which has flourished because of your support. So this all is thanks to you. If you talk about Nagothane, frankly speaking, a resort location के हिसाब से नागोठाने is nowhere on the map. तो अगर आप बोलो कि नागोठाने जाके वेकेशन करना है, तो people will laugh at you. अरे यार कहाँ पे नागोठाने है? So we were very fortunate that we have got such huge groups, huge companies, small companies who are दिल खोल के जिन्होंने हमें support किया है, who send lot of their vendors, their delegates, their foreign delegates. So I see this like somewhat a big brother, small brother relationship. So it's like a बड़ा भाई छोटा भाई का relation, you know. बड़ा भाई बोलता है, बड़ा भाई is you, we are the छोटा भाई. बड़ा भाई बोलता है, अरे भाई ये करना है, मेरा जापान से 50 लोग आ रहे हैं, so we have to arrange for that. So वो जो relation है, देखिए सर, पैसा तो आता है, business आता है, but the relation which is there, which we share with you, is very very important, and I really feel grateful to have companies like this. Individually हर company के अंदर जो delegates हैं, उनके साथ में हमारे personal relation है. We can call you, सर यार एक काम था, अरे भाई आजा, have food in the canteen. So that all things make a lot of difference, and that is what is really our strength. Baki normal hotels, this is not a 5-star hotel, this is basically a very simple hotel. But ये जो relationship, ये जो bond है, that is what I feel is our greatest asset. Now, coming back to the relation part, you have, that relation has guided us through thick times. ऐसा टाइम भी आया है बहुत बार when we had tough times, when we had to literally sell our assets, sell our flats to pay the mortgage or pay the loans. But then the relationship and the business, the strength has helped us to overcome that, to clear ourselves through the tough times. That is why I am very grateful to you. Today was actually a very very auspicious day, so we had a lot of plans in mind. हम लोग सोचे कि ऑर्केस्ट्रा रखेंगे, कोई बोल रहा था डांस पार्टी रखेंगे, कोई बोल रहा था ये रखेंगे. सो देन वी बॉइल्ड डाउन टू वन फैक्टर कि सिंपल म्यूजिक रखते हैं, बिकॉज दिस ऑर्केस्ट्राज, डांस, डीजे वो तो सब जगह चलता ही रहता है. वी वांटेड टू हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन वन ऑन वन विथ यू. We wanted to know you more, because that is what is really our intention. और सर मजा तो गेस्ट भी करते हैं, मजा डेलीगेट्स भी करते हैं, और हम और आप कब मजा करेंगे? So this total night is a tribute to you, to your support, and we wholeheartedly welcome you to the Kamath Resort family, and we would love to do this every 6 months. The only reason is to just get together and enjoy. उसके अंदर कोई commercial aspect नहीं है, कोई ये नहीं है. It is just to have good time, to know our neighbors. You are our neighbors. You to know us, we to know you, and strengthen this bond. Thank you so much each and every for coming, getting your valuable time and blessing us on this auspicious day. Thank you so much.